Fairfax Video Studio is a joint company that I own with Jim Folliard, and the reason why we started this company is because we were doing a lot of green screen video, but we were doing them in remote areas or hotels or whatnot, and we were doing a lot of them. And so we decided that, well, this is a good business. We need to provide a better environment for our clients. So we looked around at a good location. We found a place close to the airports out here in Fairfax. And we just wanted to have a good environment for people to come in and do video, because video for a lot of people is very intimidating. One of the biggest scares that people have is public speaking. And so we wanted to create an environment for Jim, because Jim is so fantastic a director and producer, and just really makes people feel very much at ease when they're doing videos there. So that's why we did it. And we've been going for about 2 years now, and we're going strong, and we're actually opening another facility to accommodate our growth with the Fairfax Video Studio. But the video studio is more than just lawyers. I mean, we cater to all kinds of local professionals. Any business that needs to do video can come shoot at the Green Screen Video, and we also do on-location shoots, photography, whatever. I mean, Jim's got tons of experience here in the local area. Does a lot of Redskins stuff, does a lot of clubs down in DC, so he's very well known. So I'm happy to be a partner in the Fairfax Video Studio. We're really hoping to really educate the local business market on how they can use video to effectively market their businesses.